Assalamu alaikum guys. With a lot of requests of learning Arabic calligraphy, I've decided to write letters for you guys. So it's very easy to learn Arabic calligraphy this way. The qalam I'm going to be using, and this is the ink. The Calli, it says Calli, it's black ink. It's really great for writing calligraphy with the qalam. I am using a 6mm qalam today. So today we will be using this qalam. For this, we have to make a straight line. To write the letter Alif, we're drawing a straight line down. So it just gives a nice straight line to work with. Here we're adding 7 nuqtas down. So the Alif is going to be 7 nuqtas down. Right, tilting your qalam slightly sideways and come down nicely. Just a little wider from the bottom and make it a little bit pointy as Alif B is pointed from the bottom. Here we're just going to crack the bottom part. You have to play around with the qalam, so sometimes it doesn't come out perfect. When I said wider from the bottom, it means not wide, it means wide, half nuqta wide away from the line. Here we're just making a line at the top and 1 nuqta on top. For the crown we need 1.5 nuqta. So we're going to come down and make a little pointy at the bottom of the crown. So we only need 1.5 nuqta for that. And here you'll see it's a half nuqta wider from the bottom. So it's half nuqta, just a little apart from the bottom side. Now I'm going to show you another Alif just without the nuqtas. So you just come down and making it narrow from the bottom. I always have to just crack the bottom part always. And 1.5 nuqta down for the crown. Let's just make the nuqtas just to see if it's 7 nuqtas. Guys, do let me know in the comment section if this video is helpful or you want further videos like this. Your feedback makes a lot of difference. Do subscribe, like and share my content. Jazakallah khair. I'm just gonna make it a little bit more down from the bottom and make it more pointy. Now just let's make another one. Nicely downwards. When you go with the flow, it just comes out much neater. It's just actually a matter of practicing. So you guys go ahead and practice. This is a very easy way of learning Arabic calligraphy. So we do 1 letter at a time. So the more practice you do, the better you get at it. Have a lovely day and keep practicing. And see you in my next video, inshallah.